Here's how to add iPhone apps to Apple CarPlay. Now, if you are using Apple CarPlay and there are some applications that you're using that are not there, I'm going to show you how to add it here. So for us to get this done, we are going to open the settings, and here in the settings, we're just going to go ahead and scroll down and look for the general tab. I want you to go ahead and open it, and you should be able to see here the CarPlay. Now I'm going to click this one right here, and you're going to go ahead and choose your car. So this is the connection I have with the car. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose customize. Now here you should be able to see the apps that is already included in there, and then down below you have the option to add more apps. Now take note though that you cannot really add every other apps that you have on your phone. Instead, it's just gonna choose that are or apps that are compatible. Now in my case here, I have Brave. This one is a browser that I'm using. I'm gonna add that over there, and then let's just go ahead and add the others as well. So I'm gonna tap this plus sign at the side. I'm going to tap calendar, Google Maps, Telegram, and then WhatsApp. Now say for example that is done, I am satisfied with them, I can just go ahead and click the back here. Now if I were to go back, customize, you should be able to see that they are in there, they have been added. Now when you are going to connect this to your car once again, you should be able to see them in the Apple CarPlay display board. And that, everybody, is how you are going to add iPhone apps to Apple CarPlay.